Hi, I'm Tang. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make earrings by using air dry can. Let's go. There are materials and tools needed, which is air dry can, watercolor, brush and palette, acrylic stick, uhu gum, a little cap, earring studs, and last is waterproof spray. Take a small section of can and roll it until it's flat. Shape your earrings to your liking. I'm going to make two designs. One is bright X and break. Another earring is simple yellow flower. You can use a little cap to cut out the circle easily. Air dry can is a can that does not require packing to harden, so it's really convenient to use for any art project. After this, keep it to dry overnight. Next, I'm going to use watercolor to paint my earrings. First, I'm painting break by using yellow and brown color. Second, I'm painting fried egg by using yellow and white color. Next, I paint yellow flower on the surface of earring by using yellow and green colors. After painting, leave it until they dry. To avoid the color being rubbed off, I will spray waterproof liquid on the surface of earrings. It is better to wear gloves before we use waterproof spray to protect your hand from chemicals matter and leave it some distance when we use it. After this, keep it to dry overnight. Glue earring stud on the surface of earrings by using uhu gum. this, keep it to dry overnight. Our earrings are done. It's easy to make earrings right. Let's start making your own earrings now. Thanks for watching.